I'm back here with a look at Myro. All right, first thing I want to point out with this thing, this is on a weekly chart. All right, first thing you want to look at here is right here. Okay, this thing, that is weekly support. You have a closing candle here, you have a closing candle here, and you have two closing candles over here. Weekly support. All right, the further you go out on your support areas, the stronger they get. All right, you can see this thing has crashed down. Now it's grabbed a weekly support area, and it looks like we're getting a rebound out of here. All right, very good area for a bounce. That's definitely what you want to see here. Okay, if it was going to grab anywhere and hold on, this would have been it. All right, perfect retracement down to this weekly support. Now, where could this thing be headed? All right, on a weekly, obviously we don't have a weekly RSI yet. We have nothing there. On the daily, you can see we're bullish, heading upwards, 65 and a 45 right now. Looks like, we got the moving average pulling up here pretty hard. All right, so it looks like this thing's trying to make a move here, big move. The regular RSI down here, look how low it is. It's down way down here to 42. I'm expecting a big push out of this thing. It's back above the moving average down here. This is on the daily. We're back above the moving average. You can see when we fell down, we were below it the whole time down here. Now we have finally crossed back above it, and expecting a big move, big push out of Myro. All right, we pull up the MACD, and you can see it's working its way back up here for a crossover. You can see that happening. You can see the blue line's going to continue upwards, and our orange line should continue right underneath it here. All right, you can see a crossover working here, a bullish crossover for the MACD also. So Myro is looking fine. We got a nice bounce starting down here, where it's actually moving as I'm making this video right now. All right, if we go in on a a smaller time frame, like a 4-hour, all right, you can see, oh boy, yeah, we almost have that higher high now, right as I'm making this video. Awesome. All right, if we come in here, we had this high here, this low. So we had a higher high, a higher low. We had a higher high, a higher low. All right, now we want to see a higher high above this one over here. So we at least got to break above 0.072, 0.0725. All right, to get a higher high up here, and then a higher low when we have a pullback here. So that's what we want to see out of Myro, and it's definitely trying to do it right now. All right, we have the 4-hour RSI turning back up. All right, you can see it did a bullish crossover right here, turning back up. This thing's really trying to push. On the regular RSI, we're still only down at a 61. We're at a 61, guys. Look how low this thing is. I mean, you can see how high it can go up here. All right, this is on a 4-hour. On an 8-hour, look how low we are. We're down here 52. All right, and it should head up into the 80s when it's stretched out. 12-hour, way down here at a 46. All right, that thing's way down there. Your daily is way down there to 42. Okay, and we don't have that weekly yet. So these things are still extremely low. All right, way down there. You got that MACD on the 4-hour, did a bullish crossover here. On the 8-hour, it's bullish, heading up. The 12-hour, it's bullish, heading up. And like I showed you, that daily there, it's about ready to cross back over bullish. You can see the bearish, sloping downwards, and you can see this thing is about ready to do a bullish crossover. So Myro is looking good here. Need to get that higher high. I would like to see that come in here. Obviously, a push above 0.07, what was that high? It came in here. Roughly a push higher than 0.073. Okay, that would get us a higher high. I believe we're going to get that today. This thing is trying to make a move upwards. All right, and like I said, first off, we're going to deal with these price targets. Then we'll move up if we break them. All right, and the first target is up at 0.078 to 0.081. All right, if we bust through this area, then we'll move up and look at higher targets. But right now, this is our target area. It's the first targets, 0.078 to 0.081. All right, that's the 618 to 702. And like I said, if we bust through them areas, then we'll start looking for higher targets. Overall, I would expect this thing to do a pretty decent retracement. Should bounce a lot higher than that. But will it? I don't know. We'll have to just keep track of it. This is what I would like to see. A retracement back up here to roughly close to 18 to 19 and a half cents. That would be what a regular retracement here. And I'm sure in the bull run we'll get that and more. I'm sure it's going to fly up past these numbers, but have we broke that down there yet? Very close. Boy, oh boy, is it getting there. Wow. Right now it's at 0.070. It's up 11.8. Yeah, it's been going up as I made the video. Awesome. It's up 11.79% for the day at 0.070. Keep your eye on this thing. I'm telling you, it's going to start making some moves here pretty soon. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. For $14.99, you can get over 9 hours worth of videos to teach you how to do this stuff. Draw trend lines, how to look for price targets. We have a bull run coming up. Spend the $15 and learn. If you don't learn it from me, go learn it somewhere else. Please, please, please. Knowledge is power, especially in the markets. If you come in here winging it, people are going to take your money. I guarantee it. All right, you have to learn something. You have to learn price targets to look for. You need to know what you're looking for in the markets. Where could this thing go? All your coins, you hold different or tokens. You hold different stuff than I do. Where could this thing be headed? Where should it be headed? And you can put price targets on there because you'll know how to. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Have a great night.